What's up, everybody? And we got this new cool setup here at Florida, guys. We got skiers, and when they start up, I'll do little videos of that if I can. And right now, we're just enjoying this cold weather. What's up, everybody? Hey, get a little snapshot. This is what I'm using right now. I'll show it in the water, the simulation. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Alrighty then, bring it in close. Like, come on, man. What fishy wouldn't want that? Alright, he goes down, he drops. Try to get him in the water now. Let's try to get him in there. We got birds everywhere. But I did want to make a video on these cool setups. Whoa, we got rocks everywhere. Like, come on. Alright, that's what we're doing. Pretty cool shot. Dude. Nice. Alright, I got the bread ready. Let's go, guys. Come on. Alright, if they get closer, I will bring the bread out. You're gonna have a good day. Let's go. And that's my scooter I just got. Let's go. Alright. Nice and chilled out here, guys. If they get closer, I am going to try to bring them over. Bring the bread out. Here we go. Oh, there it is. Sorry about that, guys. Let's keep on trying to make a video today. I want to try to get one video out here, so this is what we got to do. We got the bread, they're chilling. Let's go. Got some jets flying by. What the sky looks like today. Skate park over here, guys. Check it out. I've been there for lots of years, so pretty cool. They got some sick spots out here. All right, here we go. Bring him in, bro. Bring him in. So my first duck video feeding. Woohoo! Cool. Whoa, get him in the back, get him in the back. Cool. They went right over my fishing line. I did want to see that. That was cool. Hook him up with a big one, y'all. Hook him up with a big one. Alright, that's the video that I like to do out here. Trying to make a little new content for my channel, guys. Let's go. This is Dustin DZ on YouTube. And we're just out here just fishing. I've been trying to fish for about 5 days, trying to catch some bass. No luck. But I did buy this lure, and we will try to do it again. They got the bread, they are happy. Alright. Cool.